Do you ever get customer complaints for poor packaging? Specifically for wasteful packaging that has too much cardboard and air pillows? That empty space is costing you money and efficiency. And that's not a dig at you personally, it's just the average box is shipped with 40% empty space. Well, we have a way to ship a right-sized box with every order. With Packsize, you can create a custom box for every order right when you need it. We believe this cutting-edge solution can be a perfect fit for your e-commerce orders. We pioneered on-demand packaging, which minimizes void fill, increases throughput, improves sustainability, reduces damages, and improves customer satisfaction. This process eliminates a huge amount of shipping materials. Remember those boxes we showed at the beginning of the video? Let's repackage each of them with on-demand packaging. Each box you see was prepared to be created at the scan of the barcode. These smaller boxes will minimize your dimensional weight charges. And best of all, this machine will be provided to you at no upfront capital cost. Hey, the results speak for themselves. Imagine how much less material you'll need to use. Ditch the excessive void fill and switch to Packsize. If you'd like to learn more, contact us at this email or phone number. We're willing to offer a full packaging consultation absolutely free. Packsize, smarter packaging for a healthy planet.